program to bring you a special report.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Drew Pearson. We bring you this special radio television broadcast in order to give you the very latest information on an amazing phenomenon, the arrival of a spaceship.
Hi, this is Martha and Russ from Someday Is Now. Today we're going to show you how we adapted our Starlink onto a flagpole and attached it safely and securely to our rear ladder on our fifth wheel. We purchased a flagpole from Harbor Freight, a special bracket that we've linked here, and we carry it in a Husky tote that we got at Home Depot. We saved the inserts from the original packaging, trimmed them down a bit, and now everything fits safely and securely when we need to stow Starlink. For those of you who are not familiar, this is the stand that comes with the Starlink dishy, but we're not going to use that on this adaptation. Our goal is to utilize the ladder on the back of our fifth wheel with a telescoping flagpole so that we can raise the dish higher up above the trees to get a clearer view of the northern sky. This is the top bracket that you angle the flagpole in to hold it in place. We were able to get the flagpole in easily at this length, but decided that if we moved the brackets over to the right side of the ladder, we would have more room for manipulating the flagpole once it was completely extended. The brackets are very easy to get on, just a couple nuts and bolts. The most important part of this setup is this adapter that we found on Etsy. There is someone who manufactures these using a 3D printer, so we ordered one, and this will allow dishy to sit securely in the top. We will be adding a set screw to lock it in place, just in case. Have you mounted dishy on your RV? If so, please leave us a note in the comments below and tell us how you did it. Or if you try this, let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Martha and Russ at Someday Is Now.